in 8,000 lines, Reba. A humble revision of the wonderful achievement of the late Dr. Edward Conze, now of the 21st century, by Richard Babcock. Chapter 16. Suchness. Tathagata-Suchness. Subhuti, as non-observation of all dharmas, to be sure, is this dharma set forth. Nowhere is this dharma obstructed. Identical with space, this dharma is, beyond even ultimacy, marked with non-obstruction, as no trace can be purely cognized of such prior to, during, or after any dharma which is indicated only by what's best described as objective observation and appearance. When purely cognized unconditionally, dharma, as all phenomena whatsoever, comes to be revealed as something which can only seem to be what it is, yet neither is nor can be what it seems. No dharma exists as such, yet all dharmas are. At what seems the very least, perception will vouch for such. Yet, perception itself is identical with this mysterious dharma. These are all identical. So now, any dharmas as such, cognized in such, cannot be purely cognized as other than such. So, here is no counterpart, as pure emptiness without any second, nor even a first from which a second might be determined, such as incalculable, beyond number, immeasurable, truly infinite, purely no thing whatsoever. Here is no opponent, as such is beyond all opposites. Such as this as appears without a trace. Here can be no cause, indeed, here is no cause to become as such. This is non-produced, as, by some other acting as producer, or doing something to produce, as here is no occasion such as rebirth from something other than what this simply is. Here can be no path, as in truth no path exists which can be cognized. Sakra and the gods, born as this image of the Lord, is disciple holy Subhuti, this elder. Whichever dharma Subhuti demonstrates is merely indicated, truly an emanation of emptiness. Subhuti, as he is not born, is Subhuti, the elder, born as this image of Tathagata. He is born as this reflection of Tathagata-Suchness. As neither coming nor going, so Subhuti, of suchness, neither comes nor goes. With nothing whatsoever to establish any beginning, Subhuti the elder simply is this Tathagata-Suchness. Suchness as Tathagata and suchness as all dharmas is the same thing, these are both suchness and same as Subhuti this elder. This image as Subhuti the elder is suchness, hence the same manner of Tathagatas. Yet, suchness is also empty of anything as suchness, so as this non-image of suchness Subhuti emanates. It is in this sense elder Subhuti is emanated as this image of Tathagatas as a result of the non-establishable order of suchness of Tathagata. Subhuti's suchness is immutable and unchangeable, undiscriminated and undifferentiated suchness of Tathagatas. Thusly Subhuti this elder, immutable, unchangeable, undiscriminated, undifferentiated, through this suchness, is this very image of any and all Tathagata. So again, just as this suchness of Tathagatas, immutable and undifferentiated, is nowhere obstructed, so also suchness of all dharmas is immutable and undifferentiated. Suchness of Tathagatas, and this suchness of all dharmas, are infinite and unlimited suchness. Neither two, nor any division of any one is possible. A non-dual suchness, however, is nowhere, is from nowhere, belongs to nowhere. It is as it is suchness belonging nowhere, it is non-dual. Here through non-producible suchness this elder Subhuti is emanated even as non-image of all Tathagatas. Non-producible suchness, however, is no time not suchness and non-dual. It is in this nonsense. Be careful with this. Elder Subhuti emanates as any and all imagery of the race of Tathagatas beyond any and all phenomena. As suchness of Tathagata is undiscriminated and undifferentiated, at all times and in all dharmas, so suchness of the eminent Subhuti. For this reason, although this seems a duality in which Subhuti has been conjured up from suchness of Tathagatas, nevertheless nothing is lopped off from any suchness, which is unbound infinity devoid even of any center or direction, remains perfect and unbroken, as one cannot apprehend any real or imagined outside agent which could break such apart. In this sense is the eminent Subhuti the elder, as other than eminent, emanated as this image of any Tathagata. As suchness of Tathagata cannot be other than, or outside suchness of any and all dharmas, so also suchness of Subhuti. So also, whatever is, or appears as outside suchness of dharmas, this is nothing which is not also suchness. Suchness of Subhuti is here just the same as suchness of all dharmas, suchness of all Tathagatas. Subhuti the elder undergoes this experience of suchness of all dharmas. As such, an emanated image of suchness is Subhuti, called emanated, such as Tathagatas. It is also by and as suchness of Tathagatas, and not only his own, he conforms to suchness. It is just through suchness of Tathagatas he conforms to any past suchness, as it is also through any past suchness he conforms to suchness of Tathagatas. Likewise with future and present dharmas as suchness. It is through suchness of Tathagatas he conforms to any such thing as past, future and present suchness, and it is through any past, future and present suchness he conforms to suchness of Tathagatas. In this sameness of elucidation, suchness of Subhuti, and any past, future and present suchness, and suchness of the Tathagatas, are not two, nor any division such as any past, future, or present. Suchness of any and all dharmas and suchness of Subhuti are anywhere or as anyway not two, nor any division. And also, suchness of the Lord as he is a bodhisattva is suchness of the Lord as he realizes full enlightenment. And this is same suchness through which any bodhisattva, as one definitely realizes full enlightenment, comes to be called a Tathagata. The earth shakes and many are saved. As this disquisition of suchness of the Tathagatas takes place, the great earth shakes in 6 ways, stirs, quakes, is agitating, resounding and tumbling, as Tathagata remove any obstruction to full enlightenment. Subhuti, it is thus, O gods, Subhuti the elder is emanates as this formless form of Tathagata. But he is not emanated as an image of form, nor any fruits of a holy life, from the fruit of a stream winner to Buddhahood. As any dharmas which may appear to be born after the image of anything, or in any image of which these may appear to be born, do not exist, still are these not got at, thusly Subhuti the elder emanates in the image of Tathagata. Sariputra, suchness, O Lord, courses beyond even depth. The Lord, so it is, Sariputra. Yet as this disquisition of suchness is expounded, the minds of 300 monks are freed from the outflows, without any further